Hi, welcome back to How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you my earnings for August 2023. Some commenters, they wanted to see some CPM stats and other details. So here are my total views, impressions, and click-through rate, and average view duration. And the majority of my views come from the YouTube search, 66%, and 22% from external. So the external, the majority comes from Google search engine. Okay, so here in August, made about $552, and here are the previous months, roughly about $500 average for the past few months. And the rate per thousand, so every 1,000 views I make about $11 or $10.75. Okay, thank you so much, and until next time, happy YouTubing.